your queen, would you hold my hand, would you?
Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you guys this VSHOW hair. Shout out to VSHOW Hair for sending me this wig. All thoughts and opinions are my own, so yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So this is their card, hair care tips on the back, and their information. A wig cap. They gave me some lashes. Okay, they're cute. So I got the Brazilian version hair in 22 inches. The hair doesn't have a smell, which is a super plus, because when hair has a smell, it just makes me like, It has body to it. It moves, honey. Look at it. Stiff wear, nowhere.
For real, stiff what? Oh.
Yes, this is gorgeous. So this is the inside of the wig cap. It is a lace front, and you have some lace in the back, one comb in the back, two combs on the side, one comb in the middle. It does look pre-plucked to me. I might do more plucking, I'm not for sure. So stay tuned if you want to see me install this bomb wig. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my lace wig because I didn't tint my lace, so I'm just going to apply it on there. After I have applied the foundation, this is how the lace is looking. I tend to over bleach my knots, but it doesn't bother me. I'm going to be using a Got2b lasting free spray. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my makeup. Wipe it off where you're going to be laying the hair, the wig down. After we done that, we're going to go ahead and spray the free spray on there. And you need to direct the spray where you want it to go. My cap too. And I have like big braids, like by Felicia. That's how I got my hair braided. So I usually spray it right here too, but I got a big braid right there, so I can't do that. And it gets tacky super fast, so it's kind of tacky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin to lay my lace down. You want to work with one side at a time. You may need to spray again. Just wait for it to get tacky. Okay, so once it's tacky, we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, y'all, I shouldn't put on these lashes, baby. What was you thinking? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay it. Okay, now it should be secured. Use the end of the comb to make sure it's really on there. And even if it's not on there, we can fix it. Now we're gonna do the rest. Then I'm gonna lay it with my scarf, and I'm gonna cut the lace off. It's tacky. So I'm just going to go ahead and begin to lay the hair down. Lace covering your ear, you need to cut that on off. I'm going to show you how to do it, but we're just going to hold that. Or you can use a blow dryer, but I'm just going to hold it. I'm looking a mess trying to do this tutorial for y'all. Give this a thumbs up. A big thumbs up for you, girl. So this side is secure. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. I need to go over this part again, as y'all can see. And it's okay if you have to go over it again. Okay. I'm about to lay it again. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my scarf on. Okay, so it's been a couple of seconds for me. So it should be stuck to your head. It shouldn't be going nowhere, okay? And if it is, just spray a little more. Got to be sprayed on your head. And put the scarf back on. As y'all can see, looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna cut the tabs of the ear. And cut a piece. You may want to take it off your head if you don't really know like that. But I got this. And I'm gonna do the other one, and then we're gonna lay down the tabs. I cut it in a C motion. So then we're just gonna lay down the tabs. This looks so natural. It's like, wow. Pretty tacky. So I'm just gonna lay it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the scarf on for a couple more seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna be using an eyebrow razor also with my scissors. Hey y'all, my camera did die, so I'm sorry that y'all didn't get to fully see me cut the lace. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the hair is actually, it's supposed to be straight, but yeah, when I washed it, it has like a little curl pattern to it. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. So what I'm gonna do is straighten the hair some. I have my hot comb, which is hot. You see me looking this way, I'm looking in the mirror, but I want it to be straight, so I'm just gonna do it at the roots, I guess you could say. I'm just wear it like this. I think it's super cute like this. Peace, you guys. See you on the next video.